UIB, but 2022 is tough paper CT. Can you discuss please?
I don't have that paper currently now. So do you have that question?
I send it. I send it. I have.
Okay.
I send in the chat.
Where did you send it? Chat.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Evening.
Yeah, so those who are having doubt, just tell your doubt. I will try to clear them.
So will
Conceptual.
you be clearing doubts or solving questions?
Sorry. Yeah, so I will try to clear some conceptual as well as some doubts if you have any mock or any graded practice wherever it is. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, is there any chance of the qualifier exam being postponed because of the floods?
Where are you currently?
Sir, actually, for me, not a problem, sir, regarding floods, but I have a college event tomorrow and I've asked permission, but they're not allowing. So, not be able to write the exam. So, what is the thing you're checking those, sir?
And we cannot postpone qualifier examination because it is happening all over India. If situation are genuine, I mean, no, I don't know what I will
Delhi.
take a call. Yeah.
Sir,
They-
Delhi.
Yeah. So they have to take a call. I don't have much idea what we can do. Okay.
Sir, we have to take pen in the examination hall, or we have to provide this.
No, pen you have to take, no paper they will extra rough sheet they will give you.
Sir, which type of identity can we vary for a qualified exam?
It is not written there. It is written there, no Aadhaar card or whatever any. Yeah, on your
Is
on
any
your-
photocopy or original?
I think original is required, no?
Yes, sir,
Hello, sir.
original.
Yes,
Or candidate image be?
Can you check your admit card? All details are there, no?
Sir, do we need photographs?
Is it written on the admit card? These
No,
things
sir, it isn't.
are not required.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we carry the mobile phone if we are coming alone to the examination center?
You can, but yeah, you have to keep it outside, and I don't know how that exam center is arranging for keeping your mobile.
Because sir,
Mhm.
exam center city is about 100 kilometer away from my hometown.
I think they will have. I mean, keep a bag with yourself and put mobile inside that. Obviously, all things you have to keep outside of classroom.
Examination hall. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. No, any doubt? Technical doubts?
Sir, can you share the previous year paper?
I don't have previous year paper. That is with the admin team. I mean. Yeah, someone was sending me paper currently.
Yes,
I
sir,
mean,
but it's not sendable. It's not linked.
you cannot send.
Not able to send, sir. Can I share my screen? Sir?
That you can also not do because those who are co-host can only do because of the issue.
Yes,
Actually, your voice is not audible.
My voice is not audible.
No, sir, it
Audible,
is
sir.
perfectly fine.
Audible, sir.
Perfectly fine, sir. Voice
है
is
ना?
perfectly.
sir. Hello, sir.
Much better than.
अरे
Hello, sir.
Yeah, who is
sir.
sharing this screen?
I'm Arjit.
Sir, I sent you the link, sir.
Yeah, link
have-
is
You have, bro.
I have the
Jan
link
2022.
last year's
Jan
link.
20. Jan 2022.
which question paper you are having doubt?
Sir, can
Jan
we solve the whole
2022.
paper?
No. If you have particular doubt, then I will be able to clear. Tell me the doubt.
Bro, this is a paper of mathematics, not CT.
Whole paper is there, bro.
Sir,
You just scroll some down.
hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
How can I send?
I got it. My
Thank you, sir.
screen is not visible.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir. Not
No,
it,
sir.
it is paper.
Okay, okay.
It is.
Can you see this? Which question number you have having doubt?
No, sir. It's easy, sir. It's paper easy. Jan 2022.
This is what?
I'm not sending this.
Jan
Someone send me.
22. Someone has sent me.
Jan 2022.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Who had doubt in this paper and who has sent them?
Sir, there was one question. Let me see, sir.
Yeah, have a look and tell me.
Sir, what is
Sir, can
agenda
you
for
zoom the
today's
paper?
meeting?
One by one. I mean, yeah. Tell me. Hello.
Sir, what is agenda for today's meeting?
What do you think? What should be the agenda?
Sir, question number
Question paper
43.
discussion.
All the concepts revision, last minute revision. And that is the thing. If you have any doubt in particular concept, if you are stuck somewhere, that is the agenda for today's meeting.
Sir, can I ask a
Sir,
question?
question number 43.
Yeah, please raise your hand. I am not able to hear.
So will you be clearing doubts or solving some questions?
I will be able to do both. If you ask, I will clear your doubts.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
But if you have some
send it.
questions to solve,
I
can you
send
solve it
PDF.
in the first?
Sir.
So that
Hello,
we
sir.
can then
I send
leave.
the PDF. Can you check it?
Just
can you check
someone has sent one question, so try to look at everyone. So what is the question?
43.
Which one? I mean, in this.
Yes, sir, it is 43 question number only.
Copy link. I don't have permission. Why?
No, sir, the first link.
Okay. Then first link I have. Just give me a second, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I should speak little louder. Okay. Yeah, today I'm not well little bit, so but I will try to talk little louder. Yeah, this is the one.
Yes, sir, question 43.
But I'm not able to download this way.
Sir, it
Sir,
is
page number 30.
it isn't downloadable.
Okay. So what I do here? Yeah, question number. Tell me, guys.
43.
Math.
Yeah. So everybody try to look at what it is happening here in question number 43. Yeah. Everyone is able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
And yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Is it clear, everyone? Let's just have a look what it is happening here. What's your doubt in this?
Sir, I don't get the second if under the while condition.
Second if
If a and letter equal to I at letter of X word.
okay. Chalo, so just break it. Everybody has got the question. I mean, at least gone through once, because people might have not seen this question. So just have a look and then I will discuss. Just I am giving you 1 minute to have a look of this question. Okay.
So could you zoom it a little bit, the question PDF?
This is the maximum I can do.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Yeah, everybody please have a look. And please. Yeah, headphones are allowed actually for writing. What is that? Yeah, English examination, you need headphone, no? So please have a, I think wired one, I think headphones are required. So please take wired
Yes,
one.
a white phone. Everyone got mail.
Yeah. So at least, so those who are qualifier student, please read the instructions given in admit card carefully and try to follow. Okay. That I don't know how many questions it will be there for other subjects, but it will every question paper has at least 1 hour. I mean, so 4-hour question paper is there, no? So mathematics, statistics, CT, and English. So you will be able to finish before that itself. So enough time is there. Yeah, everybody had look of this question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and please mute. Those who are not talking, please mute.
Sir, can you please tell how many questions will be there in the test?
Questions I told you, it will be in between 10 to 15. Any number it can be 10 to 15.
Each subject.
Each subjects I will be not able to tell you because I don't know actually. Okay, but it will be it will be able to finish within an hour. Okay. Okay. So
Sir,
yeah.
will all the questions come combined or it will come subject wise?
Subject wise.
Means we have to submit one and then start another, or?
No, it's not like that. You can choose anyone. So there will be 4 sections will be there: CT, Maths, Stats, and English. Whichever you want to try.
All instructions are there in
Okay, sir.
admit card.
Hey, please have a look of instruction, guys. Please read. I mean, okay.
All statements are there.
Yeah. So please read the instructions. Okay. Hello. So everybody had look at this question. Anybody wanted
Yes,
to
sir.
try? Anybody wanted to try? Anyone? What is happening here? Anyone? Nobody wanted to try what is happening here. Can anybody explain? No? Okay. Okay, then I will explain. Yeah. So this question is based on the words data set and what was asked here. So how I will try to look at in cube time. So both things I will tell you. First, I'm trying to tell you the how we can say, I mean, we want to reach some conclusion quickly. So we will see that it is asked what will count will represent. Huh? So we will see that count has initialized with 0. So obviously it will store some integer type of data type, integer type of values. Then where is count? Count is here. So count is incremented here at this place, meaning where, and what is the condition for incrementing count? C, and C is equal to 1. Then it will increment the count. What, and let us see where C is going to be updated or initialized. So C is initialized with 0. So C is initialized with 0 here, and where C is being updated here. So in this this my cursor, are you able to see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So from while
Yes, sir.
block to here, in this block somewhere C is going to be updated. So for that, count will be incremented. So let us see here what is happening here. So obviously, if you see here, the first block, this is a nested loop. While another while is inside, as well as this is nested if block itself. Yeah. If block is inside of if. So this is also nested loop, nested if else as well. Yeah. So in the first while loop, obviously it will iterate through the words, and the second while loop iterates through the letters of that particular word. What I'm saying is clear for everyone. I repeat.
Yes, sir.
The first while block iterate through the words. Words means the cards. A card is nothing but the rose is nothing but representing one word. And inside while loop, iterating through the letters of that particular word. Agree? If I say there are 30 cards in table 1, how many times this while loop will iterate? I mean, this will be going to be checked at how many times?
30.
13.
If there are 30 cards, then how many this table 1 has more rows will be checked?
30.
30.
Who is saying
31.
Who is saying 31?
So I am.
Drishti, yeah, it's 31, no? So because see, when table 1 will be empty, you will go and check, no, कि table 1 has more rows. You will check. If it is not there, then you will come out, no? So obviously you will check for 31 times. Agree, everyone? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so let us see what is happening in inside. So you might have remember this words data set. What is it was Monday morning, the first sentence you have, no? It was Monday morning. And chalo, move X to table 2. Okay, so as soon as you read the card, we have moved. It's okay. Later is equal to 1. So which type of data type is later? We have
String.
Character.
String or character?
Character.
Character.
Character, no? Why?
Yes, sir.
Because this is single, and also this is written in single inverted comma. Therefore, it will be only a character. Okay? Okay. And C is initialized is 0. Chalo. So I is equal to 1, A is equal to false. Okay. So while I is less than later count, so it is iterating through the all letters of that particular word the first time if it is coming. So if you see there, if ith letter of X word is a vowel. So wherever if there is a vowel, I mean, let us say the first, if we have X is equal to this it, okay? And as soon as if you come the first, I is equal to 1, no? When you go first time, what will be the value of I? It will be 1, okay? I is equal to, why?
Sir, autocorrect.
Yeah. Chalo, leave it. I is equal to 1. Chalo. I is equal to 1. Ith letter of it is a vowel. Yes, it will go inside and it will check A and ith letter of X dot word. So there are two things. Can you see this? Going inside to update the value of C, how many conditions you have to follow? I mean, how many statements are there? There is
2.
Statement 1, there is a statement 2. So there are two statements connected with what operator? And
operator.
And how do you? And if and operator, how and operator works?
If both the conditions are true, then it will return true.
Yeah, I and later is equal to ith later of X dot word. Okay. So this is connected with this is another. There are two operators are there. This one, sorry, let me make it and Read
Sir,
pseudo-
mostly pseudocode will come, na sir?
yeah, only pseudocodes, nothing else. Only pseudocode. Okay, only pseudo. Chal. So for updating the value of C, you need to have two conditions to be true. So when you go first time, A is what? False. But later is equal to ith later of x dot word.
Sir, all questions will be on pseudocode.
Yeah, only pseudocode. Nothing else. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So later, what was the later you have initialized initially? 1. 1 is what is here it is defined as a character, no? Even though it looks like integer, but since it is written in single inverted comma, therefore it becomes a character data type. So 1 is equal to I. Again, this is also false. Are you going to go inside?
No.
No, na? Chalo. Then what you will do? So this
Sir, how that is false?
A is what? A is false. And
Yes, sir.
later is what? 1. Let me write it, sir. So A is false. See. A is what? A is false. And connected with later is what? 1 is equal to ith letter. The first letter of x dot word is what? I. Is true or false?
Yes, sir. False.
Write in constant.
No.
You have to write
False.
in. Yeah. So this is overall false. False
So why is it false? Sir?
and false.
Sir, why is the second one false?
Later is what? 1, no? 1
Yes, sir.
is equal to ith letter of x dot word. So when you go first time, what is the I you have? 1. First letter
So
of
we
x
are
dot.
checking.
So we are checking in Word, is there a one is there like that we are checking, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
the first letter. So this is overall false, no? Okay, so this is overall false.
So we're checking that 1 is equal to I.
1 is equal to ith letter of what is I? I is I actually.
First letter.
First letter. Chalo. So this both are false. Overall, you will not go inside. But what you will do as soon as since this was a vowel, no, so you will come inside and what you will make later. Later is equal to Later is equal to what? Ith letter. I, and what you will do? You will make it true. Agree? Two things you have done, no? Later
Yes,
you have a stored I. This is autocorrect. Yeah. Later is I and A you have made it true. Correct? Agree, no? Everyone? Yeah.
Yes,
So will you think you will go to the else block?
No, sir.
You will
No.
come here and you will make it I is equal to 2. I plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now again you will go ith letter of x dot word. So 2 is less than 2. Is true or false? True.
True.
But
True.
the second letter of x dot word is what? T. T is what? Vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant.
You will go to the else block or you will make it A is equal to false. Then you will come here and you will make it I is equal to 3 and 3 is less than equal to 2. You are not going to go inside and you will come in. So with this word, we are not able to know what is happening here because we haven't executed this part of the code. Agree? So to execute this part of code, now we understood that what you should need. Because let us say, I mean, the first was you as soon as you enter, when I was vowel, the first word was vowel, you stored this one, you made it A is equal to true. So if this is true and if you make it this one as well true, then you are going to go inside true, no? So consider a word, I'm just saying some dummy or maybe tell me a word which has consecutive vowels.
Eat.
Well,
Sorry?
Tree.
Here, eat.
Eat. How
Eat.
come?
EAT.
EAT. EAT.
खाने वाला.
Yeah, eat. Chalo. So now we have taken another word, khane wala. Good. Okay. So now you have x is equal to eat, khane wala. Okay. Chalo. Again you will go. So let us say you are starting from the beginning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah.
Ith letter is letter is in word there is two letters, so that is ith letter. First I is first letter and then T is second letter, like that it will iterate. Then here I equal to I plus 1 is there, right?
Yeah.
So both are different only, right? I is a variable here and there is iteration. Ith means iteration. I equal to I plus 1 means variable, right?
Yeah. So ith you are saying.
Both are related or not?
Yeah, both are related. You are saying
After
that.
iteration, it will increase the count to 1.
Yeah,
Okay, that
so-
is okay.
Yeah.
But so I will be 2, right? After the
Yeah.
iteration.
Yes. You will check
Okay.
with the second later. So I will tell you now. It will be
Yeah,
it will be
okay.
more clear because in this there were only 2. So now we have x is equal to EAT. Okay.
Yeah.
So I is equal to. So when you go the next.
Sir, where is the letter, sir?
Where is later?
Where is
In
the
word,
word?
there are 3 letters, right? EAT.
Yeah,
are
x dot later there are 3 letters. No? See, now you have next card. Chalo, move x to table 2. Later this one. So as soon as if you go for the next later, again your later will be. Just give me a second.
Sir, letter of which word, sir?
Wait.
Actually, sir, I have just joined now, sir. That's why I'm asking.
Mm-hmm.
I have just joined now, sir.
Just give me a second. Yeah, so why did you join late?
Yeah, go to YouTube and then check the previous what sir
Yeah.
taught.
Because for others it will be, yeah. I think this is better, I think. I is equal to my
Have you completed some?
Sir,
Yeah.
control plus.
Yes. Chalo. So my screen is visual, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Visible.
Yeah. So next word what I have taken, or you have suggested x is equal to EAT.
EAT.
Agree? So this is clear, no? I think relatively. Yeah. X
Yes.
is it. Now you have I is equal to 1. So before that, you have later is equal to what? Later is equal to
1.
1. Okay? As well as you have made it C is equal to 0. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I is equal to 1 and C is equal to what? 0. Not C is equal to, sorry, A is equal to false, sorry. A is equal to false. Okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
you are going through I is equal to less than later count. So, how many letters you have? 3. So, while you are checking and I is equal to 1 actually, less than equal to a later count is what? 3. Okay?
3.
So obviously when you are going first time, 1 is less than equal to 3. It's true condition.
Yes,
True,
sir.
no? True.
Yes, sir. True.
You will go inside.
Yes, sir.
What you will do if you have another if block, and that is what? First later first, no, I is equal to 1, no. So 1 is what? I is 1 first.
E.
First letter of x dot word. Okay? So x dot word is a what? Vowel, no? So what is this? I mean, I tell you. First is what? I.
Truth.
I is a vowel. No, sorry, E, no? Sorry.
In
E is a vowel.
E is the vowel. It is asking question. So it's true, no?
Yes.
E is the vowel.
Yes,
So
sir.
meaning this is a true
Yes, sir.
condition. So you will go inside and what you will do? Another if block is there. So if A is what? False itself. Hai na? And later is what? 1 is equal to ith letter, which is first, is it E. So it should be written in single inverted comma because you are writing a constant. Yeah. So this is what overall false and what? False and false. Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
overall false. You are not going to go inside of this one, but what you will do, you will make it later is equal to what? Ith letter of x dot what will be E. Agree? And A will be what? True. Everybody is okay agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now we will not go to else block. What we will do? I is equal to I plus 1. So what is I you will have now? 2.
2.
है ना? Guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now again same thing. While we will check while I is what? 2. 2 is less than equal to 3. It's true or false?
Yes, sir.
True. True. Again, it will come inside.
True.
And if ith letter of x dot word. So if ith is what? Second.
Second.
I mean, second letter of x dot word. Is it vowel?
True.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. True.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
So what is that? You have a, sorry. So second letter is what? A, na?
A.
A is a vowel.
True.
Yes, sir. He is vowel.
है ना?
Uh,
A is a vowel. It's a true condition.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You will go inside the
Yes, sir.
if block, and what you will do?
Equal
This
to
now
1.
you came here. So A is what? True. In previous iteration, what we have done, A made it true, no?
false.
Connected with and later. Later is what in previous, what you have stored?
E.
E.
E, huh? E, na? E. This is what I'm talking about, है ना? In previous
Yes, sir.
is equal to what is that? Ith letter. Second letter is what?
A.
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 So this is overall what? True and
True and
what?
false.
False.
Will be overall.
False.
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 Do you think you are going to go inside?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No, sir.
So for this also you are not able to go. I just okay. So later again. Later is equal to what? Ith. It will be now A. And
A.
again you made it A is equal to true. And now you will make it I is equal to what? I is equal to
3.
3.
now we will come here again, we will check while. So while here same 3 is less than equal to 3. True or false?
Yes, sir.
True.
Yes,
True.
sir.
Now everybody understood what is how the procedure will work. I mean how this code will work.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
It will be true.
Yes, sir.
You will go inside. So what is third letter of x dot word is what? T. T is a vowel.
No.
No.
False.
Sir.
You will go to else block and you will make it A is equal to what?
False.
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 In this also, are we able to go inside?
No.
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 So
No,
what
sir.
No,
it,
sir.
what did make it false? When it was going for the first one, A was false. This was also false. This was false. This was false. So we are not able to go inside. When it is coming for second time, which was vowel A, है ना? So this was true, but this was false. What if we have, let us say,
EAAT means
Moon.
Book.
book, moon,
Yeah.
whatever. So what I'm saying that when it will go for first time, obviously. So I is equal to here. So now just I have a consider x is equal to moon. Okay. I will just read this. I will go through the one by one. I'm not going to write. If you have any doubt, let me know. You stop me in between. So when it will go first time, later will be 1 only. C will be 0. This will be 1. 1 is less than equal to 4. It will come inside. Ith letter of x dot word. First letter of x dot word is what? M. Is a
Yes.
vowel. It's not a
No.
vowel.
No.
sir.
Go to else block. It will make it A is equal to false.
False.
So nothing
Yes.
no change because A was initially false. Again, it is making false. Doesn't matter. Now next term I will be 2. It will come 2 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, true condition. Now second letter of x dot word is what? O. O is the vowel.
Oh,
It will come
Yes.
inside. A is what? True. Sorry, no,
Yes,
A was
sir.
false. A was false.
False.
So again, this is false and this was already false. This letter was what?
One.
1 itself.
O.
No, it was 1 only, no?
Oh yes, one.
O.
And
yes.
ith letter is O. So again, this is false. So overall false. It will not go, but it will make now later is equal to O and A is true. Now I is equal to becoming 3. Again, third letter of x dot word is what? Again, O itself, no? Third is O itself, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
will come here and A is what? True. In previous, for this case, it was true. And later in previously, what we have stored? O.
Oh.
O
O.
is equal to third letter of x dot word. It's again O. So O is equal to O. This is happening when I is becoming 3. It is becoming I if A and later is equal to ith later. So which is nothing but you have A is true in previous case because of and
True.
later was
True.
O. I made it okay. True.
O
Okay.
is above.
Ith letter, third letter is what? O itself, na?
O again.
It's the overall what? True.
True.
True and true, no? True
Yes, sir.
and true. So this is overall true. So for this case, what you will do? You will go inside, no? You will make it C is equal to
Yes.
1. Again, now it will come here and later is equal to again you made it O, A is equal to true. Now it will come for the next term, but you have made it once C is equal to 1, it is not going to change. So when it will come out for that word, it will check C is equal to 1. So what do you think it will store? So let us see option. Let us see, check the option. Number of words in which same vowel occur consecutively exactly once. Same vowel occurs consecutively, fine, but not
No.
exactly once. It can occur anytime because we are not restricting. We are not counting that how many times this statement is becoming true. Agree, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is now, if I'm checking, so okay, first let me correct this and then I will make it complicated a little bit. Yeah. So next option, number of words in which same vowels occur consecutively at least one. So see, if one time it is coming, see, you are going to make it 1. Another time also, if any vowel is continuously coming, C will be same one. So we don't know, but how many times, but we know that there is at least one consecutive vowel, same vowels are coming. For that information we have no from C is equal to 1.
Yeah.
Guys, I mean what I'm
Yes,
saying that
sir.
like
At
see,
least once.
just dummy. Let us say dummy D-double-E.
One more, sir. One more.
UMMY.
See, if this time for this time it will come, you will make it C is equal to 1. For this, when P will come, you will make it A is equal to 1. This all false. But when OO it will come, you will make it
True.
C is equal to
True.
1. No, again
C is
C.
equal to 1. so-
If it is coming one more time, like let us say also 3 times also. For this, it is making again
True.
now like this. So how many times it comes, I don't know. But if it is coming at least 1, you are making C is equal to 1. Therefore, answer will be B. Number of words in which same vowels occur exactly twice. Number we are not able to check.
The
Number
number
of
of words or number of times the same.
see consecutively, number of times actually exactly once. This condition same vowels occur consecutively. This situation, it is saying that only once. We don't know how many times, but we know that at least one time. Anna, got it. If it is,
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
In the second if line, if there is a or in the place of and, then
What do you think then? You tell me. If any one of the condition is true, you are going to
true.
So if it wherever there is a vowel.
Number of words after a vowel.
Huh. So you think what
Okay,
will
sir.
happen? What
Okay,
will
sir.
happen if this will be going to true when one of the condition is true, when OR operator is there. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
At that time, it will represent any vowel coming consecutively. Any vowel.
Yeah,
No, sir.
any
Number
vowel.
of word
Every
after
time
a
two
vowel.
vowels occur, the one
Same vowel.
20, the C will be equal to 1. So
Any vowel, not
count
same
will
vowel.
record. Suppose if
Because
one
if you
word
make it A is equal to true, no need to check this condition.
Sir, if suppose in case of the deep that one, if the same word, if the vowels occur twice in 3 times, so the C count will be incremented 3 times, right, sir?
So that is what I was going to say you that how you
So it
will
is not the number of words, right?
how no. So I was going to talk about how for this option how you can modify your code. Like if someone has asked you to write, you write a pseudocode in which the same vowel occur consecutively once. So what you will do? What you are going to make the
So
changes?
here, number of words in the same vowel occurs consecutively at least once. So it can be more than one time also. So,
Yes.
so count represents number of words or number of times the
Number of words.
number of words.
No. See, in words, it can be. In words, this situation can be many times. In that part, so it will count that such words, in which same vowels occur consecutively at least once. So this is one word, no? In this word, how many times this situation is happening? One time.
Because in the starting also we have taken X dot letter count.
Yes. So this is iterating through the words. In this word, how many these situations are coming? Which one? The same vowels are occurring consecutively. So these situations, in this, how many times it is happening? 1 time, 2 time, and 3 times. So that's why if I want to count like exactly once, I want only such words in which vowels are coming exactly once. So you have to make it C is equal to, here the C is equal to C plus 1, and here, sorry, C is equal to 1, and if here, in this situation, if simply, I mean,
If one word is contains with two vowels,
yeah,
mean
this condition is true, but if you change with C is equal to C plus 1, then option A will be correct. Can you see this? If I replace here C is equal to 1 with C is equal to C plus 1, and rest of code will be same, then option A will be correct. If C is going to be greater than 1, which one you think it will be correct?
Sir, greater than 1, I think.
Greater than 1, so it will be at least twice. If it is equal to 1, then it will be at least once.
At least one.
And this is if I replace C is equal to 1 with C is greater than equal to 1, then same option number B is
At
going
least
to be correct.
once.
Hana, if it is only this equal to 2, then option number, which one will be correct?
Exactly
C.
once.
Exactly twice. C is
Oh,
equal to,
exactly twice.
yeah. And what we have changed here, we have replaced C is equal to 1 with this one. C is equal to C plus 1. Hana? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
सर हमने यहाँ पे हमारे पास if c डबल इक्वल टू 1 वाला जो है क्वेश्चन में ये एग्जैक्टली वंस नहीं हो जाएगा फिर अगर जैसे हमने यहाँ पे c डबल इक्वल टू करके हम ये कह देंगे एग्जैक्टली ट्वाइस होगा तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास c डबल इक्वल टू 1 एग्जैक्टली वंस नहीं होना चाहिए हाउ कम एटलीस्ट वंस
नहीं, why? Because here how many times this situation is going to be true we are only changing c is equal to 1 from 0 to 1. So we are not counting how many times it might have happened. For the case, like this is the word, like for this will consecutive same vowel, c will be becoming 1. Agree? What's your name?
Arnav Agarwal, sir.
Arnav. Okay. So Arnav, when double E it will come, you will make it c is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Next P will be, if you are not going to make O, you will not. But when another O is coming consecutive, again you are going to make c is equal to 1, which is already 1. Can you
Okay,
see
sir.
this? The same word in which you are iterating through the letters, no? So you don't know how many times c is going to be updated, but you are only checking, c is 1, then you are incrementing. So that's why it is at least 1. When c is equal to c plus 1, if you replace this one and you keep this one is same, then this is the situation. Option number A is becoming correct.
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good.
Hello, sir. I sent the PDF.
Okay, sir.
Can you check it?
Okay, so everybody got it, this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, next question then. If no question, then I will ask.
Hello, sir.
Sir, what is this word editor you are using?
This is Notepad++.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir,
Yeah. Huh.
I
so
sent
now
the
not
PDF.
a question.
Can you check
For
it?
this, like
One
apart
way-
from pre-IQs, should we do anything else, sir?
What-
Pre-IQs or practice and graded assignment.
What is there? Tell me.
Should we do any other resources?
No, practice. What do you want? I mean, questions are there. If you
Yes,
feel
sir.
that,
Like for a qualifier exam, like to get a good mark, should we do anything else apart
I
from
mean,
practice,
see,
graded
see,
assignment, pre-IQs and videos?
Yeah. So you at least you try to solve the practice assignment questions from week 3 and week 4. All the practice assignment and graded assignment questions are pseudo based questions. So wherever pseudo code questions are there, you just try to revise at least once. And if you think that you are having some difficulty in understanding of the some concept, just watch one of the lecture, that particular lecture with 1.5 speed. I mean, then you will have a better understanding. Because see, these week 1 and week 2, you might have watched very I think last month. So it might have like, you think that you are updated without, but something you might have missed. And also I told you at the beginning of this course that you should be preparing, at least you should make one notebook for every coursework. Write the summary. What we are providing is fine, but you should be also writing the summary note. So it will be very helpful for this time. I mean, if you want to revise any concept, go to your notebook and just try to read that one. You will quickly go to, and you will quickly, your doubt will be cleared from that, because you have written with your understanding, your way of writing. So that makes very fast. I mean, you will understand very much quickly. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Sir, doubt.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello, sir. I sent the PDF.
Tell me.
Can you check it?
Sorry?
I sent the PDF in the chat. Can you check it?
What is that PDF?
CTPYQ
CT?
2022. PYQ.
Question 5, week practice assignment, Nakshatra Sharma. This one? What's your name?
Arjun.
Sorry?
Arjun.
Arjun. I can't see Arjun anything here.
Yes, sir. I sent again.
Suprita has sent.
You are not sharing it properly, Arjun.
So yes, I have sent.
I sent.
Can you please see question 62 and 63?
For the same?
So the PDF which I sent there.
So A1, see the name,
Yes,
it is not written the name. I mean, A1605, who is A1?
Yes, sir. I am
So it's
Arjun.
Suprita.
Suprita. Acha, Suprita ne bheja hai. Okay. Okay, both are having same one.
Yes, sir. 67.
So this is which one then? Which year? This is different. What am
Yes, sir. This is different.
Okay, let it open. Then. It is asking IDY. It is asking ID.
Sir, he hasn't shared. He just copy pasted the link.
Okay, okay. Let me check with what is her name? I forget. Yeah, Suprita. Yeah, I think this will open. Yeah, question. This is the same you are also talking about, no, Arjun?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me. So please raise your hand and I will go one by one. Okay.
So my question is 62 and 63.
My question is 67.
And
Sir, go through all
Pravar,
questions.
Pravar and Pushpita, no?
No, sir, my doubt is different. First take their doubt.
Okay. And Pushpita?
Sir, my doubt is also different.
Acha, theek hai. So guys, please raise your hand because I prefer guys those who raise your hand. Okay, so 62 and 63, na? From where you guys are getting these questions? I am not getting.
Sir, it is a WhatsApp group.
Okay, you guys have joined WhatsApp group. Okay, good. It's very bad. I mean, you are getting
Why, sir?
questions. I mean, you are getting graded assignment solutions from there, no? WhatsApp. Good.
No, sir.
No, sir, no assignment solutions. They share notes and PDFs.
Then it is good. But please always hesitate to join any WhatsApp group. I mean, I am not suggesting 62 and 63. This is the one?
Yes, sir.
Guys. Okay, please mute, guys. There are, okay. Yeah, 62 and 63, those who haven't, these are comprehensive question. 62, yes. Okay, chalo. Yeah. So guys, those who haven't looked at this question, please have a look and then I will go to the question part. Okay. So this is your question. This is also same thing. I mean, I don't know, much changes there, I think. Sorry. Please have a look. Sorry, question is not visual. No? Yeah. Is it visual, no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, please have a look. I will ask some guy from or anyone. I think this is pretty easy compared to the previous question. I don't think so any much problem in this.
Sir, can you see the 67 once time?
Yeah, I will have it. Let me look at 62, 63, and then 67. Okay. Okay.
I think this is another video.
This is different.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I do.
Okay, so 62 and 63 के बात करते हैं.
ठीक sir.
Can you show options?
No options. You tell me what. I'm just going to ask what. What is this option question?
Count B.
Count. What do you think count B will represent?
Sir, number of letters which match with the first letter of the word.
Number of words in which?
Number of letters which match with the first letter of
number
word.
of letters?
Yes, sir. Number of letters.
No, sir. It's the letter.
Vowels.
The number.
Letter after the first letter.
So you will count number of letters.
Yes, sir.
The first letter. And the first letter should be
Okay, so the first statement itself is wrong because it's not counting number of letters. Count way is not counting number of letters.
Is it
Sir,
about
it is
consonants?
counting
Sir, it
vowels.
is counting letter.
One by one, guys.
Words where the first and the last letter of the words are same.
Yeah, who told this one? Khushi.
Yes, sir, Kushi.
Yeah, can you please repeat? Number of?
Sir, count B represents the letters means the words where the first and the last letters are same.
No, sir.
Yeah, I think this is correct. What she is saying. Okay, who has
Yes,
objection
sir.
on this?
B represent
Khushi.
ith letter that is
So
equal
this
to
is also
first
Khushi.
letter.
Okay, this
Yeah,
is
if
Khushi
the letter
Gupta,
count
Khushi
is
Sharma. Okay, Khushi, both Khushis are fighting. Chalo. Khushi, tell me. What you are
Yes,
saying,
sir.
Khushi?
Sir, it is representing count B represents whether in a word whether the first letter and the
Yeah, I
last
got it.
letter of the
Khushi
word
Sharma,
is
I got it. Now I have
I'm
to.
saying, sir,
Khushi
B
Gupta.
represent ith number of मतलब X
Sir, what
word
is
का
question?
ith
Sir is
number
asking about
letter
count B,
is
not
equal
B.
to first
Guys,
letter,
mute yourself.
who is also vowel.
Okay,
Guys,
okay,
हो
okay.
गया कोई एक बोलो.
Sir, it
Okay.
is telling about number of
Don't fight
letters
here.
which are same as the first letter of the word.
Okay, okay, I got it. Listen, what I'm trying to say here. I'm just giving you the glimpse. Everybody, please mute. Okay, so what is happening here? This is pretty. This is easier than the previous what I have discussed just now. So again, it is iterating through the table. You are reading first. You have stored I what later count. So later count if you have stored in I. So and A is equal to the first letter of X dot word. So what do you think? And B ith letter of X dot word. So what do you think? I is which data type?
Sir, it is integer data type.
Okay. Okay, A is integer data type. What is B, A and B representing?
Sir, character.
Which data type?
Character means a letter.
Yeah, everybody is agree on this. A and B
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but a character data
Yes,
type.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt from anyone on this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
I see only few participants are participating in such conversation. I know some people do not want to speak, but it's good that if you speak in this conversation, it will be good. Okay, chalo. So yes, A and B both are representing integer. Sorry, the character data. Why the first letter of X dot word? It is talking about the letter. So letters means the first means only single, and that is should be in. If it is since this is a variable, you cannot write in single inverted comma here. You cannot show, but it is actually representing a character data type. B is actually ith letter, so I is letter count. So this is for the first and this is for the last. So if you have a word like X is equal to, tell me the something. My name itself, Deepak.
Letter.
ठीक है, Deepak is there. So what is if I say there I will be what? Tell me how much?
Six.
It will be
Six.
and
Six.
A will be what?
D.
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 And B will be what?
K.
K.
A.
K. Agree. Now what you are checking? If A is equal to B,
No, sir.
A is equal to B. Sorry, B.
B.
So it is actually checking what?
D.
First and last letter if they are same.
First and last
Yes, sir.
Sorry, D
Equal.
is equal to what?
K.
K. It's true or false statement?
False.
False. What do you think it is actually happening? It is checking the first and the last letter. It is
Last
comparing. If it is same, then it will come inside. And for incrementing count V, you need not to do anything for this inner if block. Understand? No? If it is coming inside, if this condition is going to be true, you are good enough to increment count V. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Look at the question
Yes, sir.
number 63, then we will talk about when count A is asking like what count A will represent, then we will look at this one. Before
So
that,
count A will represent if first and the
yeah, I got it. I got Khushi. Yeah, just give me a second. Yeah. So count V, you think that whenever this condition is becoming true, meaning what? The first and the last letter of that particular word is same, then you are going to increment count V. Everybody is agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, count V represent number of words in which first and the last letters are same. First and last number of words in which first and end or last same thing with the same letter. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The count B means first and last letter or not?
Count B
Yes, sir. Not
represents
same, na?
So not same because either same and B should not be a vowel or not same.
No. A and B both are same. Then you are going to increment count B, no?
No, sir, if A
How
and B
come?
are not same
It
or
is
same
under
and if B is not a vowel.
Sir, so E is
No.
A
Listen,
represents
guys.
vowel.
Listen. I'm not
Talking
talking
about
about.
example.
I'm not talking about currently count A. Agree? I'm talking
Yes,
about
sir.
only count B. Because in the question number 62, I was asked to find, where is the question?
Count B.
What
will
count
count
B
B represent?
representing? So I'm just holding for this one. I mean, I haven't looked at this part. Why? Because I was asked to just find what count B represent. And execution and incrementation of count B depends on only one condition. What is that condition? When A is becoming same as B. Means A is
Excuse me,
equal
sir.
to B, then you are going to increment count B. Everybody is agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I'm not looking currently this part of, because I was not asked to find what count A will represent. I was just asked to find what count B will represent. And for this incrementing, you need only one condition to be true. This is what A is equal to B, and A is representing first and B is representing last. So I'm saying that this will count B will represent number of words in which first and end letters are same. Agree?
Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, and they must not be a vowel, right?
Nakshatra. Vowels, I'm not worried about vowels or consonant. Do you think for incrementing count B, you need to know A is vowel or not, or B is vowel or not?
Oh, no, sir.
No. Nakshatra, who is having doubt in this?
But for count A to be incremented, it has to be a vowel, right?
Yeah, yes, I didn't reach to at that point. So, but
You
count
say
B
it's
is
clear.
everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
question number 63 is asking what?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, if A equal to B, then we will go to the V is a vowel line, na?
Yeah, we'll go that one for, but this question, but this
But
question
if it is
huh.
incorrect, then we will go to count B is equal to B plus 1.
No. If this is false, this will be anyway going to be executed. Execution of this law or this statement only depend on this, not on this. If this is false, it will go inside. If it is false, still it will come here. Means if it is true, okay. So let me talk collectively all the part of the code. But count B is everybody is clear on this. Now
Yes.
this will.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why I am making you to distinguish what is happening. You should understand that which condition is responsible for incrementing that which variable. So that's why I was breaking and just try to ask you. So count B is simply on this one. Whether this is true or false doesn't matter on this. Only incrementation of this matter depends on this condition. If this is false, you are going to come here, move X to table 2. If this is true, so this is true, you will come inside, but incrementing on this one, it is not depending on this one. If this is true, it will increment this one. If this is false, it will not increment but this one. But in both condition, it will come here in this block. Is this a statement? I mean, this expression. No?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Sir, for this question, we don't need to go inside the if statement, no? Because it is only asking about count B.
Yes.
And we have to just check A is equal to B or not.
Yeah, I'm just worried about count B. But execution of the code, it will be not like that. Why? Because it will read line by line. But I'm saying if it is going to true this condition, you will increment count. If this is going to be false, you are not going to increment count. In both conditions, you will come here. But in this question, you will have just asked what count B is going to represent. Therefore, I'm just ignoring for the timing this one. That's why I'm saying that incrementation of count B depends on only these statement, this statement, A is equal to B. That is what I'm trying to say here. But code will not read like that. It will read this one. If it is false, it will come here. If this is true, it will come here, and then it will come here. In both condition, it is coming here, no? Count B. If this is false, you are not going to come here. It will come to move x to table 2. है ना?
Sir, count A will be incremented if A and B both
Count
are
A,
vowels.
count A I haven't reached here. Count A for the timing. I'm talking about count B. For everybody, count B is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
coming
Yes,
to
sir.
count A now here. Okay, so what I have done here, count A is first letter, B is the last one. Now come here, A is equal to B. So both should be same. Agree? If you are entering here, both should be same.
Yes, sir.
Now come, if B is a vowel, okay, then you are going to increment count is equal to count A plus 1. So what do you think that count A will represent? Number of words.
No.
Which ho
And first and last
which end with
letter
vowel?
with the same letter,
Number
The
and
vowel.
that should be also a
Which
vowel.
end with a vowel at first and last.
End with a vowel. Both should
And
be
the
vowel.
vowel should be the same.
Same vowel.
Fine,
Start
it
with
should
the
be
same vowel, ends with the same vowel. What do you think if here instead of B, it should be A? Do you think the answer will change?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why? Because you have
Because
already
A
checked
is
here.
equal to
Already we
B.
reached the
है ना?
condition, parent condition.
Yeah. So the count A will represent number of words in which number of words which starts with the same and ends with the same vowel, like that, no? That is the. I mean, if I'm, yeah, number of words with a start and end with the same vowel. Agree?
yes, sir.
Guys, okay, so there are 4 people who are having doubt. Pravar, okay. Rakshit,
Yes, sir, but not in this one.
okay. Pushpita,
The different question I have.
अच्छा
Sir,
ठीक है.
If
Sujal,
it's sir, if it's Asha,
Hello, sir.
just a minute,
sir.
just a minute. Sujal, yeah,
Uh,
Sujal, tell me.
Yes, sir. I wanted can you solve some questions on binning? Like I did not see any questions on binning in the mock assignments. I only saw a few questions in the practice assignment, I guess, not even in the graded ones. I think I didn't see them in
Yeah, so
the
grade,
activity
so
questions.
binning based question I have discussed on which day? I mean, say those who, I mean, guys,
So
do
can
you
you
remember?
refer? So can you refer which day you discussed it? I'll go and check it out. I
Which
wasn't
day I
able to
have
get
done?
this.
I mean, week 5 I have last session when I have taken. I mean, last week, no? Yeah, last session. Yeah, I think it's the Friday session. Last week Friday session. You just.
So yeah, solve questions, right? Because I'm actually clear about the concept, but I did not.
Yeah, so
find
that
any
is very
questions
that
for
is very good
practice. So
question.
please-
Try to watch that question. First, I have tried to show the full question and just have a look at what it is going to happen. I mean, what is happening in that particular sort of. That is a very good question based on the binning concept.
Which week did you say? So last week, sir.
Yeah, last week Friday.
Last week Friday. Oops, I'll check it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So who is having doubt in this till there? Otherwise, I will move to the next.
Yes, sir, it's fine.
instead of Deepak, you keep Asha. Both the A ending word A and starting word also A.
Sir, I have shared one question in chat box. Can you see that?
Akansha.
So can you see once the question 60 also?
Yeah. So yeah, what is the just a minute? So I have okay.
The count B becomes incremented as well as count A also will become incremented, right?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, move to the next question. It is clear.
Okay. So in this, I think question number 73, if I'm not wrong, 73, no? Which question someone had doubt in the same set?
69.
Question number 67.
67, okay. This is the one. This is the one.
Yes, sir.
This is easy, no? I mean, what is there? I mean, what A is what B is representing, what C is representing. B is representing number of adjectives and C is representing number of verbs. And if there is an end of sentence, then it is counting A. So it is counting number of sentences which has at least, or no, at least, yeah,
Adjective.
at least
At
one
One
adjective
adjective
and at
and
most
two
And at
two verbs.
most
two
two
verbs.
verbs.
And ends with a full stop.
Yeah, who has doubt? 67, please. What's your name? Hello. 67, who had doubt? Khushi.
No, it's not me, sir. No,
Then,
sir, it's not me.
then who? It's fine. I mean, it's okay. I mean, I want to understand what is doubt in this. It's not like that if you have asked this question, then for me, every doubt is same.
The
Okay?
different PDF.
Yeah, tell me, wow, fast. Otherwise,
Different PDF. Different PDF.
yeah, in this PDF, 16.7 number, someone
No,
has
sir.
asked.
In this, it's a different PDF.
Yeah,
sent the
I
video to
will
you.
come to you, please. I will come to you. But
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, someone had just give me a second. Someone had asked this question, and I think she had doubt on this. Now it is clear. See, B is greater than 1, so it is adjective. So this is called at least. Means there can be one or more than one, but C is
At
less
least
than equal
one
to 2.
adjective and at most one verb.
Two verbs.
At most
Sorry,
two
sorry,
verbs.
two verbs.
At least one adjective. Yes. Okay. Now should I move to next?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So before you close this PDF, can you go to question 60 also?
60.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो इसमें. Yeah.
So why
is-
not the second option is also correct?
Number of male students plus number of students. You tell me. I have explained this question. Do you think anybody wanted to tell why option number B is not correct? Why it is incorrect?
The condition or is given, maybe not end. So
No, that is the so why this is incorrect? Option number B. I have told the region also. Means I have wrote this one. I told that there is a region. I mean there is something we are counting. Yeah, we are counting. But what do we think? We are over counting, double counting, no?
The number of males we are
Sir,
counting.
here
twice.
number
We are
of
not
females.
adding, no?
Yeah. So
Oh,
what?
sir, I got that. I got
Number
that.
of male students or number of female students?
Yeah,
Sir,
option
I
number.
got that.
Yeah. So see in this, if you write this one, a number of male students, a number of students who
There is a or
mathematics
condition in
and
between.
physics are same.
The female students only.
Listen. Give me
So
one
it will
second.
get double executed.
Yeah, means if a male student who
Male
has
student
math and
added
physics
to
marks are same, for that case it is double counting in this case. Therefore, this is incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Because you will add for male student here as well, and you will add the students,
Also, yeah.
male students who got mathematics and physics marks same. So therefore, you are over counting. You are twice you are counting for the student
Overlapping.
who is a male and mathematics and physics marks are same. Okay, chalo. So if you are if you are going through this one, like you will count number of male students. So this will be the first it is coming. So option number B, C. And if you just going through like number of students whose mathematics and physics marks are same, plus number of. So this is going to wrong for which one? Number of students who have same marks in mathematics and physics, but are male students. That is what it is covered in this one. Number of male students whose mathematics and physics marks are not same. Okay. So this is from, if you go from first this one, then you will write this first. If you are going through left to right, you are going to write first this one, number of male students plus number of female students whose math and physics marks are same. Agree, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So should I close this one, or anybody is having doubt in this same? Tell me first.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so next doubt is in which one Pushpita has. Pushpita.
yes, sir. Sir, I have sent the PDF to you in the chat. Can you-
Yeah, so this is the one, no? This is which? Tell me the question number.
Sir, question number 2.
Question number 2. What's there in this?
No, the next question. 4. Yes, yes.
Huh.
Sir, I couldn't line in line 11 that condition I couldn't understand.
Able to understand. So
Yes,
see.
yes.
So flag is what you have initialized it false, meaning Boolean data type. It can take either true or false. So therefore, I mean, and count is incremented for flag, and you have to check that what is the final value once you execute for this line and this line. I mean, this if block and this block. If any one of the case, if this is going to be true, you are going to increment the count. So flag is nothing but a Boolean data type which you have initialized with false, and it is going to update it true for this condition, as well as also if you find this for this condition as well. Pushpita?
Oh, okay. That means flag will get updated if it gets updated in other condition, right?
Yeah, if let us say if X, that word is a noun, it will come here, it will update for the noun, flag will be true. So flag is true, you are going to increment count.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, okay. So in same PDF, anybody is having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So someone had doubt in another PDF. What? Oh, who was the guy?
PDF.
Sorry?
Sir, IIT watermark. This is
Sorry. Can you please?
in this PDF watermark, IIT watermark, sir.
Nahin, I mean, someone has study. I don't know what is this guy had done.
The
This
timed mock question 10.
This is question from us, but someone had downloaded and they have done this one, study 5 or something. I don't know.
But
Yeah,
these are previous questions.
yeah, I don't.
So will there be any subjective questions and negative marks?
No negative marks. So do you want to complicate? I can do then. Negative marking.
No, sir.
It is okay.
No, sir.
No, you are just giving me I mean, you are suggesting something, no? So
We have
No,
suffered
sir,
enough,
no.
sir.
For negative marking, J are there.
Because competitive exams all have some.
Sir, only J exam is enough for negative markings.
Yes, sir.
no, we can also implement. It's not a big deal. I mean,
We don't
No,
want
sir.
Competition will
negative
increase,
marks.
sir. In this to competition will increase.
yeah, someone had asked, someone is having doubt in mock paper.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Haan, bolo.
I sent the PDF direct to you. Can you see?
I can't see. What's your name?
Arjun.
Arjun.
A1605.
Please update your name, no? So guys, from week 5 onwards, everybody should write your actual name, because
Okay, sir.
I want to know person, because this will help, like if you are lagging with 1 or 2 marks from grade A to S or B to A, I can do that one. So that's why I want to know who is participating in live session.
Yes, sir, I think it is being
Okay, sir.
renamed by the host. I think
No,
actual
sir,
display
sir,
name
it
is different,
Where
sir.
is that? I am not able to find Arjun. I mean,
Sir, actually, it is in Zoom meetings, it is coming in this number, but in Google Meets, it is coming in our actual name.
So it is not signed in, the Zoom one is not signed in by your account.
yeah, now I got it. Again, it is asking for I don't know, Arjun. Which year you are talking about, Arjun? I mean, say I haven't opened in previous one because Arjun.
Yes, sir.
It is asking me to what is that, sign in. I'm not able to open the question.
And in the meantime, can you solve the timed mock?
Yeah, sure.
Question 10.
Question 10, I think I have discussed. Did you not attend the last live session?
No, sir.
Why?
So I was completing the week 5. Actually,
But it
we
is,
only have 3 days.
But it is available on the YouTube. You would have watched the lecture itself.
Okay, so the last one, right? Before this one.
Yeah, that's the Thursday's live session. What's your doubt? Tell me the quickly. I will just clear. If nobody's having doubt, then I will clear. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
See, this is what I mean. Please watch. I mean, so what your doubt means? Can I get it quickly? Means tell me. Since I have opened, I
No,
want
sir,
to.
I'll check it. Okay, you have discussed the similar doubt in this question only, in this session only. I'll check it.
Okay, chalo. ठीक है. Next doubt. Who is having this doubt?
Sir, sixth question.
Rakshit.
I am.
हाँ, Rakshit or Amit? Rakshit? Yeah, Rakshit, tell me, what's your doubt?
Sixth question.
I think sixth I have explained, and you haven't attended the live session. It looks.
Sir, I have a
good.
doubt in graded assignment.
Did you attend the live session, Rakshit? How it will work then? It is available on YouTube. You cannot give excuse also. Okay, I missed the lecture. I can't attend. What's your doubt in this? If I can tell you quickly. Yeah. Rakshit?
Sir, what is this I?
Sorry?
What does I represent?
So did you join session just now? I have explained the similar question. I think last 2 or 3 questions I was explaining same. I mean, based on this one. I is equal to 1. It is representing. Actually, in this one iteration, it is iterating through the letters. I is actually responsible for iterating through the letters of that word. This while loop is iterating through the words. This is iterating through the letters. And for this while loop is responsible. I is less than equal to later count. So whenever I is equal to 1, it will go through the first letter, then I is equal to 2, because you are incrementing second letter, third letter, fourth letter, like that. No?
Okay, sir, got it.
Yeah, please. If you have a doubt, please go and watch that. I have explained this one with while giving some example. Okay. Okay. Next.
Sir, can I ask?
Yeah, Ankit. Yeah, tell me.
Sir,
But please raise your hand. It will be good that then I will. Yeah.
Sir, graded assignment 2, question 8.
Graded assignment 2. Seriously?
Yes, sir. I have only one doubt.
We are coming now. I mean, graded assignment 2. Graded assignment 2. Question number
8.
Yeah, tell me. I have also explained this one earlier.
Sir, I have watched that, but I couldn't get it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is nothing but if you have a 2 toppers in a class. I mean, I have explained this question so many times. What did you not understand? Tell me. Or tell me.
Sir, the whole part only.
Whole part.
Yes,
So
sir.
did you take any example? I mean, please take an example. I mean, it is actually counting. I mean, it's hard to get if you do first time, because you are supposed to fill a what's that? Fill in the blanks, statement 1 and statement 2. But I tell you, it is actually try to find number of what is that? Number of words which have number of sentences which has least number of words. So for the least number of words, you have increment. I mean, so you have initialized with very highest value. That's true. A equal to B is actually checking how many such sentences which has same number of least number of words, same least number of words. So if it is there, then you have to increment what? B. So it should be what is that? Count. Count should be count plus 1. So there the statement 1 will be count plus 1, and this one is responsible whenever if you see any new sentence which has currently less number of words in that. So if it is there, as soon as if you come here, you will make it B is equal to 1, and you will make it count is equal to B is equal to A and count is equal to 1. That is what it should be there. I mean, if you see that it is iterating through the words data set, okay, you are going through the each and every card, and effects.words in not ending with a full stop. So meaning he will come here and he will iterate through the cards, since this is based on the card. So A will count number of words in that particular sentence, no, number of words. As soon as you move a one card means what? You are counting number of words in that sentence, no?
Yes, sir.
As soon as if you come inside, you will check x dot ends with a full stop. A is equal to B. What is the value of A? You have 0. What is the value of B? 10,000 or 1 lakh. It is not same. It will come here. A is what? 0. B is what? This one. But you have incremented, you have incremented for the first sentence. Let us say it was Monday morning. So there are 4 words in that particular sentence. So A is becoming 4 when you are going to execute this part. I missed that one, but yeah, now we understood that A will be, let me write. So can you see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
So when you go for the first one, it was Monday morning. So A will become 4, no? Why? It will move cards, no? 1 to pile 1 to pile 2. Hana?
Yes,
So
sir.
A is becoming 4. You understood what I'm trying to say here?
Yes, sir. I am understand.
Yeah. So once it is becoming 4, then for the last word, actually this word end with a full stop, it will come inside. What is the value of A? A is 4. 4 is equal to this one. It's not true. It will not go inside. But 4 is less than this one, 1 lakh. True or false? True. What it will do? It will make it B is equal to now 4. And as soon as if you come inside, you have to make it count is equal to 1. Why? Because you found one sentence which has currently less number of sentences, less number of words. You found at least one sentence, no? No?
Yes, sir.
Now you have made it A is equal to 0. Reinitialization you have done for the next sentence. Understand? So this is for the next sentence. Now you came here and now again for the next. So next sentence will be Swaminathan was reluctant to open his eyes. So there are 7. Hana? 7.
Yes, sir.
7 is there. Now again you will check. So 7 is equal to 4. B was 4, no? So false statement, it will not go inside. So this will be 7 is less than 4. False statement.
False.
It will not go inside. Again, you will make it A is equal to 0 for the next sentence. So it will keep going on. Let us say in a sentence you came here and next sentence you found that there are again 4 words in there. So you will come here, you will make it 4 is equal. Now you will come here, x dot word into the first stop. Okay. So 4 is equal to 4. It's a true or false statement? True statement.
Yes, sir.
So at that time, what you should do means you found a sentence which has same number of words. No, I mean the least number of words. I'm actually so count. You have to make it increment. I mean you found such 2 sentences which has least number of words till now. Agree?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Yeah. If you have next sentence, if you are going and let us say there are 3 words in that sentence. So 3 is there. Now we will check x dot word end with a full stop. Yes. Now A is what? You in previous sentence you made it 3. There are 3 words in that sentence. 3 is equal to B. What is the value of B you have? 4. It's false statement. It will
Yes,
not
sir.
go inside. It will come here and now we will check. If 4 is less than, sorry.
3 less than
A
4.
is 3, yeah. 3 less than 4. It's true or false statement?
True, sir.
True.
True.
You will come inside, what you will make? B is equal to now your 3 and what I have told you here, it will be count is equal to
Count is equals to 1.
1. So what is happening here? As soon as if you see a sentence which has less number of words from the previous one, you will make it B is equal to 3. That's true. As well as you will have first sentence, such sentence, na?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Not understood, sir.
Sorry?
No understood, sir.
Not understood.
No, sir. Understood.
Acha. Okay. So So I tell you the summary, what is happening. So this block of the code is actually responsible for the whenever you will see the least number of words, then you will update the B with the least number of words, and you will make it count is equal to 1. Means you have found one sentence which has least number of words, and this one is representing for the how many such sentences are there which has least number of words. So same thing, no, how many there are more than one students also in the class which got the less mathematics marks or the minimum mathematics marks. Let us say 25 someone has got, there can be more than 125 students or 25 marks students also there, no. So this is for the same thing. I mean, this is counting
Yes.
such students which has or the such sentences which have least number of words, and this is counting whenever you see new sentence which has less words in that particular sentence, then you have to again update the value of B as well as count also. So therefore here statement 1 will be count is equal to count plus 1, and here statement 2 will be count is equal to 1. Try to make it like that. I just give you example. I mean, I am just giving you example, like you have sentences in which you have words are like, let us say there are 5 words are there, then there are 6 words are there, 4 words are there, 4 words are there. Now you found 3 and 7 and again 3. So I have written in first sentence there are 5 words, next sentence 6, next sentence 4, next sentence 4, next sentence 3, next sentence 7, next sentence 3. So what do you think your A will be? Sorry, no. Chalo, all things I want to write. A will be what? B will be what? And count will be what? Tell me, what will be the value of A? Tell me.
Not audible.
Yeah, you are audible. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What do you think A will be?
3.
At the end of this pseudo code, A will be what?
2, sir.
Okay.
It will again be 0.
A will be what? Tell me.
A will be 3.
A will be
Zero.
Acha.
Zero.
One by I will write. I will cross check also.
One.
So A will be what?
0.
sir.
0. Okay. B will be what?
3.
7.
B will be
Three.
7 or 3?
3.
3.
3. And count will be?
2.
2.
Okay. How many disagree on this? A should not be 0. Everybody agree on this? I
Agree, sir.
do not
No,
agree
sir.
this one. A should be 0. A should be
No,
something
sir.
different value. How many are with me?
Sir, A should be 3.
Okay, so A should be 3. What's your name? At least one came. with me.
Arnav.
Arnav. Okay. Others? Others? Hello?
Sir, A should be 7.
A should be 7. Okay. Next.
Sir, I think A should be 1.
Okay, A should be 1. Okay. Next.
That's 7, sir.
Okay, 7. 7. There are 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Next. 7.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. 7.
Okay. Guys, A should be what? A should be 0.
0.
Guys, see how it will happen. As soon as you read the all, you reached here. Okay. What you will do, you have made it this one. As soon as you come here, because this is the x dot in with the full stop. Means last word of that particular paragraph will come inside this one. No? As soon as you come, you will make it A is equal to 0. Then you will come and move X to pile 2. Now you will check the pile 1 has more cards. No, you have moved all cards to pile 2. There are no such cards. You will come out. So what you are ending with? A should be 0, no? Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
How many have said A is equal to 0?
Sir, I said
I am going to ask such questions from quiz 2 or insane. You guys are simply.
A is equal to 0, sir.
Yeah, A should be 0. Now, what should be the value of B?
B, 3 only.
B will be 3 only.
Yeah, B should be 3. And count should be? 2.
Two.
Now I have I found one more sentence which has only 2 words. Now tell him what is the value of A?
B will be 2 and
B
count
will be only
will
two.
be zero.
A will be what?
A is 0 as usual.
B
A
will
is 0.
A is a 0, B will be 3.
No, B will be
2.
B will be
B
2.
is
B
equal
will be
to
2.
Sir.
if
Count
B
will be
will
1.
It will be
B will
1.
be 2 and count will be 2 or 1?
1.
1.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
I think who is, I mean, who is not supporting this one? Everybody agree on this? I do not
Yes, sir.
agree. I do
Yes,
not
sir.
agree then. Anybody is with me?
Sir, I am with you. It's 2. Yes, sir.
Okay, so count will be 2. Okay, anyone?
That a network issue. Could you please tell me what?
Count will be what? Okay, so count will be 2. How many are with me?
Count will be 2, sir.
Count will be 2. How many are with me?
So count will be 1.
I am not with you, sir. I'll say count is equals to 1.
Okay, count will be 1. Others?
Sir, count is equal to 1.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 1.
So how many are with me?
One.
How many are with
sir.
me? I am saying
Count is
that
1.
count will be 2. How many are with me?
I am with sir.
I am
Count
with you.
2,
I
sir.
am out, sir.
Still, the correct answer is 1, no, sir. I mean, according to the assignment.
Count will be 1.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sir.
Count will be 1. Because you have found one sentence, next sentence, which is a smaller, means which has only 2 words. Therefore, this sentence is becoming the least, no? Therefore, B will be coming 2, and you found such only one sentence. If next sentence comes 8, what will be the value of B and count?
Same.
So it will remain same.
Same.
What will if next sentence comes with the 2 words?
The count will be 2.
Count will be 2.
Count is 2.
Everybody agree on this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, so how guys you are able to answer this one? Because you guys have attended live session week 2 where I have explained this one. Others, those who haven't attended live session, please have a look at that one. There I have explained in little bit more details. Here I do not have time, so I just went it quickly and I do not write so many things. So please try to attend live sessions. Whenever I know you guys are do not have time, or you are busy, or you are intelligent, understand, but sometimes you should, for revising some of the concepts, these are actually good questions, so that's what I'm telling you. Have a look at of such good questions before going for exam. Okay, so next question. It's clear
I
now?
also have a doubt in graded assignment.
Tell me.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So graded assignment 1, question number 5. I think the answer given is wrong.
A graded assignment question. Tell me.
1, question
One.
number. Question number 5.
I'm not going to solve question graded assignment 1. So that is not going to come anywhere. Question number
5.
5. Okay.
So I think it should just be C. Step 8 to declare the. It should just be C, not D.
Option number only C, D. Okay. So I think there were huge discussion on this on discussion forum and Discord.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the doubt here you guys have? So you want if it is wrong, do you want extra number? You are qualified. No, what is the meaning to discuss these questions now?
No, sir, I just wanted to know if I'm wrong, I should clear my concepts
Okay.
again.
Okay, good. Okay, so thing is that like a student proposed a hypothesis. Okay, so that what was her hypothesis? That a student are bored in the first half of year than second half of the year. Means less number of students are born in first half of the year. So what was the her hypothesis? That what is saying that, I mean, let us say where we are actually counting, actually A is incremented and B is incremented. Okay. So A is for the first half. So A and B, her hypothesis, her hypothesis, sorry, is true if what she is saying, are sorry, number of less number of students are born. So this less number of students, this is the case. Her hypothesis is true if A is less than B. No, yes, tell me something.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visual.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलो.
Yes, sir. sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this is true. Now her hypothesis will be true if this A should be less than B. That is what, no? Less number of students are born in first half of the year than the second half of the year. So let us, okay. So A is greater than B, then declare the hypothesis true. What do you think? This is false statement? This is false, no?
Yes, sir.
Now A is less than equal to B, then declare the hypothesis false. What do you think?
So it is also incorrect.
Because of equal to?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that the benefit of doubt goes to only the programmer actually. So you guys. You guys are saying that A less than equal to B, then declare the hypothesis should be true. Then it should
No,
be
sir, it should be.
yeah,
Sir,
then it should be
it is-
considered. If it is true, then this should be the answer. But since it is written as false, you are saying that this is shouldn't be the answer because equal to sign is not equal to
Yes,
sign is
sir.
included here. But this means let me write one more sentence. Her hypo will be false if A should be greater than B. Or this one you want to also add? So that's the benefit of doubt is here because I mean I understand that this is a little bit confusing because of the equal to sign. I mean if it is written here A is less than equal to B, A is less than equal to B, this is false. This would come in, this wouldn't be coming into the error because of equal to sign. That is what you guys have doubt, no? No?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, meaning her hypothesis will be false according to you guys if someone has written like this. No, sorry. Hana? So this should be error free. It is no. That is what you guys are trying to say here. So only that confusion, a benefit of doubt is only here because of this equal to sign. I understand that this is that actually goes to the programmer who has created this question. Equal to sign what, because it's clearly it is written that less than. I can understand that it should be, there is no error in this one. But I don't know who has created this question and miss how much this marks is actually, this is actually what you guys are saying is true actually. I understand that, but how much marks you guys have lost because of this one?
5.
5 marks.
5 marks out of, but if we count aggregate, I don't think so it will coming 0.1 more than 0.1 or 0.2. No? What I have opened, sorry. Yeah, so this is actually, yeah, whatever saying is looks correct only. This should be actually a correct statement, but still it isn't coming in the error. And it's actually, yeah. Okay. Now your doubt is clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, next question.
Sir,
So
is this session is recording?
Yeah, I think this recording is going on, no? On YouTube, it's live streaming.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. So also now is the time for you guys to revise the things, math, stats, CT. CT will be always a saving. I mean, you can finish these things in less than 45 minutes and try to put.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
We need to go my doubt, sir.
Tell me.
I'm waiting so long.
Yeah, no, tell me.
I sent direct PDF to you, sir. Can you check?
I have opened, no. But it is not opening, Arjun, no?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Actually, I'm not able to open actually. I mean,
Can you send a request? I will confirm.
yes. See, this is 1605. It is asking me for. Can you send?
Arjun, you can just send the screenshot of the question to sir. It would be easier.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Tell me.
So like now for CT, what is the major thing to revise?
What is the
major thing to revise now?
Mostly revise. See, in CT, nothing. There is no any formula or anything to remember. For revising CT, just take a random question of from week 3 and week 4. Practice grade. Yeah.
The last question, 67 in this PDF, 67.
Yeah,
in this
one.
67.
In this.
Yeah. 67.
Yeah, in this. That's why I was telling you that in the same one. 67. What is this question number? 13 only. I mean, I'm not able to find.
It's not.
What is it? Can you take a snapshot and send? No, please. Take a snapshot and send to me. Okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I just have a suggestion to make. Can you guys just make the timings of each subject different, because a lot of times the session get clashed, so we are unable to like focus on one session at a time.
Yeah. Okay.
Like for past 3 days, so I have.
You're talking about the TA session?
Yeah, every session, like maybe TA session or the like revise open session.
Revision session.
Revision session.
Okay, so see, thing is that like there is no any collide between instructor session to the instructors. I mean, there will be no class if one instructor is taking math and same time another session is taken by a CT instructor. But there can be class between the TA sessions. So TA sessions is actually it is open. I mean 6 to 8 or 6 to 10 is there. So it's huge because that TA sessions are happening almost every day. So
yes, sir.
But if it is colliding with us, I think it is colliding. If CT session is happening, no any CT session is happening either with TA as well. But there may be other session might be happening like maths or stats. So you have to choose that one. So you have to choose because you are not supposed to attend each and every live session. No, but what is there? I mean, if you cannot have every time doubt. Means if you are having math doubt, just go and clear and come out from that session. But if any instructor session, sorry.
Hello, sir. Restricted by account admin.
Sorry.
Sending the external card is restricted by account admin.
Yeah, so that's why I'm not able to open. What to do? Let me copy the link. Yeah, so Pooja, na,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah, so that is my advice you to, because I don't think so you will have doubt in each and everything.
Yeah, sir. But what happens when the exam comes near? It's like every session is way important.
Yeah,
Like
but
maybe the doubt which we
but
have.
if you study every session at the, I mean, if you study at the last minute, what can I do? I mean, see, this is
No.
also,
I'm not talking about that because from past 3 days we are having revision sessions for every subject, and
yes,
the
but
times get
but the
collapsed.
revision
So
session, I don't think so any revision session is colliding with the
no, it is a
instructor
it has a gap of an
It's
hour.
TA session and revision session.
session. That TA session or revision session by instructor, that can collide, that I agree, and that
No, sir.
we have done like that. Means, I mean, because someone is someone is much more clear in CT, then he might be, or he or she might be not joining that session. So for that we kept like, yeah, you come and go like that. TA sessions are like that.
But excuse me, sir.
Huh.
But in these days, like when the revision classes are going on, the maths TA sir is taking the revision classes, and at that time, the other like statistics and computational thinking
Yes,
classes
sir.
are
Today it is
taken.
also there. Like
So
6 to 8, we also have old quiz
So
for maths
in
and
that
revision
case,
session for
it is
stats.
problem.
Yeah, so that
Because
depends. See, that depends on the TA. No, I mean, I cannot stop them to take lives as to what they want to do in the TA. So TA sessions are independent of our session, instructor session. So you have to choose.
Okay.
Like if you are very much comfortable with the TA, it's just I'm also happy that if you want to learn from TA, it's fine. I mean, I do not have any problem in that. But if you want to come to my session or any instructor session, it's up to you. I mean, you have to decide, because
Yeah, okay.
we want to give more freedom, I mean more timing, so that you guys, whenever you have doubt, just come and ask.
Okay, sir.
Understand? Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Okay, so I am not able to open I mean, what should I do? So that's why I'm just take a snapshot and send to me. No, what is there?
Restricted by admin, account admin.
You cannot take snapshot as well, is it?
It's saving, but it's not savable.
Not
Restricted by account admin.
okay. So who is the admin? I mean, IITM online degree one.
IITM.
Okay, so then I might have discussed.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Access. Let me check. Just a minute, give me a second. So what was the link I have? So this is actually, yeah, it's asking for access actually. Yeah.
Can you send request?
I cannot open right now. I don't think anybody will do. No, for this also it's not there. Yeah, sorry, I can't do much in that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what should I do now? I mean, I think it's a bit, it's a good to, I mean, you should revise, and I tell you some of the tricks. Means whenever you see any big pseudocodes split into two parts, mostly there will be procedure. So there will be main part of the code, and there will be the pseudo codes will be there. I mean, if you see here, I mean sorry, procedures are there. Where is that? Just give you yeah. So like that, this is the code we have, main part of the code, and this is a procedure. So once you get the procedure, you are able to understand what is happening. So you need not to look at again and again. So that is the first one. Second one, whenever the fill in the blanks part is there now, just try to like go off first option, first time option, and you in the fill in the blanks part, you should be very much careful that what is given in the paragraph, because based on that you have to find the correct pseudocode for the fill in the blanks part. So you should be very much clear on this, what is happening. So if I am the person, no, what I will do, I will have like, yeah, I will write what count is going to represent. So count is actually number of pairs. same gender. So it will have a pairs with, I will write like this, pairs with
Gender.
same gender, or two things, or from the same city but not same city, or same city, same city but not both. Like that, if you write on your notebook, no, a notebook or the rough sheet, then you just try to look at the things, options, as well as the pseudocode, because you need to look at, because if you do not write now, maybe you need to read it again, or you might be confused. But if you have written on the paper, you will have clear picture what is going to ask and what should I look for in the fill in the blank. So
So
fill
like
in the blanks,
simplifying every variable which is given.
correct, and fill in the blanks, but you just put it the first one and try to execute the code if you are not able to understand. If your condition is fulfilled for the condition which is asked in the paragraph, you are good to go. If not, then you will have understanding that what should be the correct block of the code. Then if we are looking for the next option, you will easily understand. You not to look at again same thing, you have to iterate each and every, you can understand, yeah, this is actually false, you should be considering, then you should look at the next, like that you try to do. But at least for the one option, you try to execute, I mean try to understand what is happening. Next one thing, wherever there is a error finding question, whichever the line which are not given in the option, you should treat like that is a error free. I mean, I also have already given the instruction, but you should be very much careful, like line number 1, line number 4 is not given as the options. So line number 4 is error free. If you consider that line number 4 is error, there is also error, then you will consider this is a true, and wherever C is updated, C is a true. If this is given as the option true, okay, true, you will consider as a error not C. That will become ultimately same meaning. So for avoid that confusion, what you should do, you should be considering which the lines which are given in the option only. That may or may not have error. And there can be in MSQ questions, there can be one question, one option is also correct. So unless, because in MSQ, see, you have marked these two as a correct. If you think that that is also error, you lose all the marks. So whenever you are very much confident that there can be more than one option, then you consider that as an option. Otherwise, you will lose the correct marks also, because one wrong, you will lose all marks. But one correct, you will get half, or divided by how many options are correct. Like in this, there are only 2, and what is the marks of this one? 4. So 4 by 2, each option is having 2 marks. So there will total. If you have considered these 2, then you will getting full marks. But if you have by mistake, you have also considered, yeah, this is also, then you got 0. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in multiple select options.
Yes, sir.
One doubt, sir, in multiple select option, I don't know, this is what it is. In 4 options, if 2 are correct, in that we select 1 correct and 1 wrong, so we'll get 0 mark.
Yes. Any wrong option, you will get 0. Any wrong. So that's why I'm saying that MSQ questions are very much difficult. Even though it looks like code is this is pretty easy question. But since this is MSQ, you should be very much careful. There is a more chances of losing the marks. It is more difficult. And also, see, this is MSQ. This is a very good question. Try to solve these questions, guys. This is a very good question.
So can you just solve this question?
Yeah. Me? You are asking me to solve?
Yes, sir, just this one.
No, I have asked, then I will not solve. I mean, you should have to solve this question. This is a very good question. Try to think this question is very good, and I can give you the little hint in this. Everybody try this question. Okay, so I will solve this, no problem. But before that, you should be having one look on this. Are you able to see the question?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try to see that what is happening here. I think this question I have explained in Friday. Not the same question, but the same concept, similar concept. AIM books with the distinct name, and there are that is written by an author, and each book is written by only one author. Please have a look. I mean, just have a look on this and try to solve this. So everybody understood the question at least?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this question is actually assume AIM books. So how many books are there? AIM books. Okay. And with distinct name. So what do you mean by distinct names that are written by N authors?
Different, specified.
Yeah. So like my name is Deepak here. So I do not have a same person with name Deepak. Okay. And N authors. And each book is written by only one author. So which can be greater? I mean, okay. So M can be greater than N. Number of books can be greater than number of authors.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How, sir? How?
Because
Sir, it is given.
Tell me, this can be true?
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
How many are with me? I am saying no. No,
Yes,
now
sir.
people will be careful now. Okay. So how many are saying no?
Sir, I am saying no.
Okay.
I am saying no, sir.
Shivangi?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, this is actually true.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how?
This
one author
this
wrote
is
only
false.
one book, right?
This is false. And this can be also true. See, it is saying that so if I say one sentence, you will understand. Author can write more than one book.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, there can be more than N books, no? Which
Yes,
is
sir.
N.
Yes, sir.
Hana? But
Okay.
Yes, sir.
but this cannot be true. Like now, authors are more compared to number of books. We have already stated that each book is written by only
One author.
One author.
now this one. M can be same, no?
Yes, sir.
There is each author has written only one book.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
only not more than one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everybody understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, if M is greater than N, you are saying that it can be true. Then the option A should count equal to M. I mean, option B should be correct instead of
Option.
I said option B should be correct instead of option A.
I didn't reach to there. I just asked this one. I tell you why. I mean,
Okay, sir.
everybody is clear on this, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, come here. Now coming back to the question. So count we have represent 0, 0. Both are going to store some integer data. This is last question. After that, I'm going to stop because you need also time to revise things.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. So read the first. Okay. So as soon as if you come here, count one will be count plus one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from here, it looks like you are counting the number of what?
Number of books.
Number of books.
Looks like you are counting
Right,
number of books.
Yes, sir.
But it is not.
Author.
How I tell you, this is based on the binning question. Someone has asked that I didn't get any binning question. Who was the person? Binning based question. So this is a binning based question. Okay. So from here, it looks like count one is going to represent number of books, but it is not. It is actually representing because there is something happening in this block. I'll tell you what is happening. Okay. So for that, let me take some examples. So you have X and you have books. So books, how should I write? Okay. So you have book A, okay, in which the first book is written by author. Tell me something. Ram, I can say. Then book
Yes, sir.
B. Book B is written by author Ali. Book G is written by author. Tell me some author name. A small one.
Jack.
Sorry?
Jack.
Jack. Okay. Next.
Kalidas.
Oh.
Anurag. Jordan.
No. I should
Anurag.
write Ali.
Amish.
Ali can write.
Sir, it will be same,
book
no?
by- Ali can.
No,
book,
sir.
Huh?
No, sir. He can't write two books, no?
Yes,
Why?
sir, he can write two books.
Why
Okay,
not?
so
I
an
can't.
author can write two books, but a book can't be written by two authors.
Yeah. Now we have book
Okay.
T. Can we read? Can we? This is how many have objection on this? So I'm writing book A is written by Ram, book B is written by Ali, book G is written by Jack, Y is written by Ali, and T is written by Ram. How many have a problem in this?
No problem, sir.
No objection, sir.
Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, come here. So read the first row, X, move X to table 2, count will be, as soon as if you go, count 1 will be 1, 0 plus 1 will be 1. Let me write, this is in table
1.
And table, I think there will be, whenever there is a 2 loops.
So, but in the question last sentence, it's written that assume that every author has distinct name.
So distinct name. I mean, distinct name. No, Ram has written 2 books, A and T. Same person.
Yes, sir.
I mean, see, who had doubt in this? Just can I know your name, please?
So, Suprita.
Sorry.
So, Suprita.
Suprita, yeah. Suprita, I'm saying that in a class, like you might have experienced that in your class, there can be more than one person named as Deepak. No?
Yes, sir.
That I'm avoiding that. I'm saying that there is only one Deepak. I mean, there is, if Deepak is, I'm saying there will be only one person name. I'm not saying if I call Deepak, then 2 Deepak will come. That I have avoided. So here I'm saying this table is arranged based on the books. And that book A is written by Ram. Then T is also written by Ram, same person. I'm not saying that this Ram is different and this Ram is different. Agree? I'm saying same.
Yes, sir.
That same person can write more than one book. No, I haven't restricted on that one. I have told that book have distinct name, yeah, and n authors, and each book is written by only one author. That is why I have written each book is written by only one author. Anna?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so read the first. Okay, move X to table 2. So now we have X, and which is moved to table. This guy is moved to where? Control X to table 2. Okay. Now we have X is what? X ka Ram you have, Hana? You are reading this guy. and you have made it count is equal to 1. Now table 1 has more rows. What do you think? Table 1 has more rows. Is there, no?
Yes,
Read the
sir.
first. Chalo. So you have y, and y is what? Read the first. This guy is first, no? Okay.
Yes.
Control X, Control V. No, control not. It should be not Control X. It should be there because we haven't moved. Okay. So read y. Okay, we read. Okay, and if x dot author is equal to y dot author. So what do you think? This is true or false?
False.
Where it will go? Move y to table 3. So this guy should be moving to where? Table?
Table 3.
Table 3. Chalo. Now again came to table 1 has more rows. True or false?
True.
True. Now this is now you have what is that? This is becoming your
X.
jack.
Y.
है ना? This is becoming your y is jack. ठीक है? And again x dot author is same as y or dot author. Author A is same as author Z. No, no. Sorry,
No,
Ram
sir.
is same as Jack. No. What you have done? You will go to the else block. Where you will put it? This guy. Table number
1.
3.
3, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. 3.
Table 3. Again, now table 1 has more rows. Yes, we
Yes.
have. Again, we are reading this guy, and we are again checking. We are checking y is equal to Ali. Okay, so x dot author, x is constant same. Ram is same as Ali. No.
No.
Where
No,
we'll
sir.
go? We'll go to else block. Y move to table 3. This will be moved to table
3.
3. Control X. Sorry, control. Yeah. Again, we will go to from here to here because this is loop hasn't finished. Table 1 has more rows. Is there or not? Let us see. Yeah, is there. One more. Okay. So now y will become this T. So again, x dot author. What is the x dot author? You have Ram. Y dot author is what? Ram.
Ram.
Same.
Yes, sir.
What you have done here?
Count 2 will increase and it will move to table 2.
Count 2 is now becoming from 0 to 1, and that is moved to where? Table
Table 2.
2. What did you do? Very strange thing, no? Now we will come here and we will check. Table 1 has more rows? Yes or no? No.
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 Now we will come here and so this is closing bracket of this one, no? This one. Line number 6 ka closing bracket is line number 15. Now we will come here, move all rows from table 3 to table
1.
Okay. So what is so now you came here. Now we have this guy. Now we will come here again. Table 1 has more rows. Table 1 has more rows. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Read the first row. What is the first row? You have this guy. Ali is there. And that is moved to table 2. Hana? That is x to move to table 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Table
Yes,
2
sir.
and count is becoming count. This is becoming your now 2
2.
and so x is becoming this one, no? Ali, no? X is becoming Ali and y we will
Yes,
check
sir.
it in some time. So count is becoming 2 now while table 1 has more rows. Do you think table 1 has more rows?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes, sir.
have. Now y is table. Read the first. So this I'm going to read the first one, which is Jack. Jack is there. Now x dot author. What is the author? Ali is same as Jack? No.
No.
There will go else block, and else block is what? Move y to table
3.
3. Control X to control V here in table 3. Now, again, table 1 has more rows. Yes or no? Yes.
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 So this is control C. Now you are becoming this guy. And X dot author Ali is same as
Yes, sir.
Ali.
Yes, sir.
So what I will do? Count 2 will be coming. 1 plus 1 is becoming 2.
2.
And move y to table 2. So this is now becoming to Where? Table
Goes
2. Now again, table 1 has more rows? No. Again,
No.
all rows from table 3 to table 1. So table 3 mein we had control X, control V, this one. Now again we'll check. Table 1 has more rows? Yes, we have. Read the first row X. We are reading the first row, and this is becoming your control X is becoming your X, this guy. And also move X to table 2, and this ko you have to move to table 2, Jack ko. Okay. Now we'll count. While table 1 and what we have done? Count is
Count to
1.
increase.
Count equals to count. Count to increase.
3. Now
Yes.
Yes, sir.
table 1 has more rows? No, we do not have anything. So we will not go inside. Again, we will check. Table 1 has more rows? No. So we stop the iteration and we ended with this one. So we have done something very strange thing. Strange, no? Very good
Yes.
thing. What we have done?
We have counted the books with same author only.
So
Yeah,
initial-
yes.
So what we had? See, Ram, Ali, like that. So okay, I forget. I mean, what was our data we had? So our data kya tha? Card. What was the data? Do you guys remember? A was Ram, है ना? Just tell me, no, if you guys remember. Next was what? B, no?
B
was
Ali.
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 Then next was what?
Jack.
G
Haan.
was Jack.
Jack.
G was
Jack.
Jack.
G was
G was
Jack.
Jack.
Then
Ali.
And
Y was
again
Ali.
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 I was Ali.
Y was Ali. Okay.
T was
And then
Ram.
T Ram.
T Ram.
And T was
Ram.
Ram. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So do you think? So now if you close, if you examine closely, if you think that Ram has written 2 books, how many books we had? How many books we have?
5.
5 books.
5 books.
How many authors we have?
3
4.
authors.
5.
3.
How many authors we have?
3.
3 authors.
Three.
So
Three.
do you this is what? You
3
have
authors.
counted 3 authors very cleverly. I mean, there are only 3 authors. Understand? So how you have done
Yes, sir.
actually? So whenever you are seeing that, when you are this fixing X, and whenever you seeing the same author book, you are moving to count 2, and from from table 2, and from table 2 you are not bringing back that card to table 1. Which one we are bringing? From table 3, which are not same as. For that you are bringing again back from table 3 to table 1. So the same author books you are incrementing only once, no? I mean, because you are losing that information, because table 2 cards you are never bringing back to the table 1. We are bringing back which one? Table 3, na?
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Same author
Yes,
you are
sir.
getting. For that you are only counting only once. So that's why count 1 is not counting number of books. It is counting number of authors.
Authors.
Understand?
Understood.
Yes, sir.
And so there will count 1 will be N, and count 1 it is what? Count 2 is what? So how many books you had?
5.
Total? 5.
5.
5 minus 2 is what? Sorry, 5 minus 3 is what?
3 is what? 2.
2.
Which is 2, which is nothing but your count 2. So
Count.
M minus N is representing count 2.
Number of pairs.
Yeah, no.
Difference in books and author.
Number of pairs you can say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, number of pairs, correct. 2 pairs are there. Okay, chalo. Understood, guys? What is happening here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
this approach can be like applicable for each pseudocode questions.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, we can take an example. Like there are even marks questions. I mean,
Yes,
chemistry,
yes,
physics, and
definitely.
bio. Yeah. Okay.
But the condition, this condition should be fulfilled. Otherwise, we will be having difficulty. Okay.
Yeah.
Distinct name should be there, and only one. So only the marks will be same, but there should be not similar name of a student. Understood. So this is very good question, because we are not trying to do like that, but indirectly we are moving the same author book to the table 2, which are never brought to table 1, and for that all same author books we are counting only once. So we are counting number of authors, not the number of books. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here till here?
No,
Anyone?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay then. Yeah. Okay then. What should I do? I'm just busy.
Give us your best wishes for the
Yeah, I wish that from next week onwards you should I want everyone to be in my session. I mean, you qualify. And
Yeah, sir.
yeah,
We
this
surely
is-
try to qualify.
yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, if any doubts, is it possible to ask you personally, or do you have some email ID or something?
see, what is the time now? I mean, it's done, no? And
Sir, I have a question that I have not started week 5 content
No, sir, like, do you
because
have
I
some
was
IDs?
so week 5, don't worry. Man, see, 3 days you have. Once you finish this one, try to watch that one lectures.
Sir, do you have some
Okay, sir.
ID or something where the email ID where you can message?
Sir, will
Email
the
you.
Yes, sir.
I will share my IDs from week 5 onwards, because now because qualifier students are there. Once you are qualifying, then you are actually our students. So that's why. I mean, once you qualify, then I will try to share my ID. Okay.
Sir, week 5 dates will be extended or it will remain same?
It's 19, sir.
It's
It
Actually,
will
19.
19.
I will
Yeah, so
check.
3
I mean,
days we have.
and 19 is there.
Sir,
So
but
I
we
will.
have a
If possible.
I will check. And what is week 6 then?
Then it will not extend.
25
22nd.
something. 26.
26. Okay, just 19. Maybe I can hardly extend till 21 Friday tak.
Yes, sir, at least 5
Yes,
days.
sir, that will be more
Yes,
Yeah,
than
sir.
that
enough.
will be okay,
Yeah,
sir.
that will be more feasible for us.
Okay, I will talk to the team then. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but if you
Yes,
have any
Okay,
doubts
sir.
today while solving mock, is it possible to ask you? So, do you have some ID?
there is no time now to ask now. This is the last. This is the last time you can ask now.
So, like, personally, like, not.
I mean, see, I can't share here, otherwise my email ID will be flooded. Okay, so that's why I'm telling once you are qualifying, then we will have a discussion. Okay. Chalo.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for joining and listening.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye. Best of luck.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right.